Good evening, Sangeeta. I will be just telling you the procedure for as to how you have to prepare for this LIC. You are appearing for ADO or AAO?
ADO, sir.
Okay, you are appearing for ADO interview, how to prepare for this. So, you must be aware of this folder I have provided to you. I have provided two folders and one
LIC
such,
ADO.
one is LIC ADO. This folder I have given you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I,
ADO and AAO.
yeah, here the first one, Aparchit interview, this consists of banking materials.
Okay, sir.
Now, you may be thinking, what is the relevance of banking and insurance? They are both interrelated. So you must study this book also broadly, not very deeply, broadly.
Okay, sir.
Then go through this bank interview questions from the angle of what are the various topics in which questions are asked. If you do not understand them right immediately, you can search in Google, you will get the answers for that.
Okay, sir.
Then let me come to another aspect. Here, similar thing is our, say, yeah, that will do for you for that one. Next, what are the other things we have to go through? See, insurance, you have to know about insurance. You have already studied about insurance theoretically for your examination and all. So, but from the point of view of interview, you must go through this glossary.
Okay, sir.
Glossary of insurance. It is available in our LIC folder only. I have also given you. Please go through that glossary, everything. It will be boring, but you have to go through that.
No, sir. It's quite interesting only.
Very good. Thank you. Thanks for telling like that. I'm happy. Now, I would request you to go through this D for difference also. Here, this tells about some of the points relating to banking, non-banking finance company, check, demand draft, etc. This also is relevant. Please go through that. About this, I have posted a video also beforehand. You can read that also. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Next, what is more important? This one, Future of Insurance PDF. This is a guidely material. So Future of Insurance, this tells about InsurTech, artificial intelligence, blockchain, insurance frauds, definition like this. This also we must go through. We have not studied this thoroughly, but you please go through this one. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
That one. Next is, as any insurance student, you must be thorough with insurance basics.
Okay, sir.
This has been prepared by Ambitious Baba about 2-3 years back. But there may be some changes in regard to this. But kindly go through them thoroughly to have an idea. Insurance terms. See, the banking, I told you, all those things will be covered here also. These are financial terms. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Please go through that and prepare that also. Then apart from that, ADO roles and responsibilities. LIC ADO roles and responsibilities. Please go through this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then principles and practice of insurance. This is a very theoretical material, lengthy one, but
Yes, sir.
go through this. Can't help it. If you go through this, you will have some idea about what is principles of insurance, risk, then like this. So many questions are coming. Warranty, then Section 45 of Insurance Act, then basics of basic life insurance products. This and all you just go through. Apart
Okay,
from that, next one, I have given you one more material known as another one, LIC AAO ADO 0106-2023 GU. Here, from today, we will start reading this one by one. What is it telling? Why today 9 o'clock over now?
yes, sir, 9 o'clock.
Yeah,
9 to.
but still 9-2, na? Yeah, nobody
Yes,
has
sir.
come. So here, today we will be going through this native related questions from the angle of interview. Native related questions. Second one is 3-page material. Documents required for LIC, AAO, ADO interview. We will go through this. Then we will go through this one. This is also 3-page only. Both are same.
Yes, a repeated PDF is there, sir.
Oh, repeat is there. So we will delete it. Yeah, good. We'll delete it. Next one is this one.
Checklist of
Only one page. Arey bhai. Okay, let us go through this also. Next, this one. This is 47 pages. I think this will be a lengthy one. Which organization, this, like, go through all the questions, answers. We will also go through in the class. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then next one, 431. This is what we saw now. Next, after 431, 464, 464, 9 pages. This is also about Income Tax Act and all that. You should study this. 64 kapro 72, 72 here. Role of AAO. I think this we have discussed in one video earlier. And another one is this one, 22 pages. Financial market and other things. This is also similar to what you would have studied under Aparchit material. But we will go through this. And also another ambitious Baba material I showed you, more or less similar to that one. So we have to go through this and prepare. So this is what it is. Now, this one, yeah. So this is what it is. So what we will do now, actually, so many people are there. Oh, sorry.
No,
Now only they have come.
yes, sir. Sir, yesterday class, I had one doubt, sir.
Yeah, ask us. Oh, you're right. In the end, you ask some doubt, na?
No, sir. ಅದು ನಾ ಕಡೆ sir. That is not.
1 minute. 1 minute. I will close this video with this because I want to post this as a video, how to prepare for LIC, AAO, ADO using our materials. So I